Look at that. And I'm not even anywhere near the water right now. How many steps am I above the actual water? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 steps plus 5 feet. 16 steps at 7 inches. Let's go down a tad further. And obviously I'm at BLO 97. These are the steps that lead up to BLO 97. That sensational. I'll actually will show you my location, just so there can be no doubt as to where I actually am. And there we go. And just to show you the strength of the inferior mirage right now, you can gauge it on the buildings over there. Look, see,